Hey everybody, Jillian here. Welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you all of the journaling Bible entries that I did in the month of February. I have way less than usual, 13 for this month, and I posted a question on my Instagram feed the other day in my stories. This is my Bible. I think I've had it for about 5 months, and my question was, look at this chunk, and do you think I can go another month in it? So I think I'm going to try and make it through one more devotional kit before I retire this gal and start into a new one. For those of you who may be interested, this is my third journaling Bible. I've been Bible journaling for just about 2 years now, and yeah, pretty fun, pretty cool to have a third one filled up with all of the things that I have learned from the Lord. So let's go ahead and get started. I've got my entries flagged and I'm ready to go. So for February, I was working through the This Is Love devotional kit from Illustrated Faith and Dayspring, and that's where this one was inspired from. I actually used pieces from the kit along with one of Jess Robbins' girls that I had from the Print and Pray shop. Like, she has a Faith Girls paper doll set. So I had already created her and had her here in Psalm 139, but hadn't finished that entry, and then so just used her as a jumping off point to journal Ephesians 2:10 actually here in Psalm 139, and then just created or wrote a little note here to make sure to go visit that verse. So really fun to do. I mimicked the look of the devotional card with some acrylic paint and layered some pieces from the kit, like I said, and then pieces from the You Are Loved collection too. This is another entry from the This Is Love devotional kit. Super simple. I actually have a process video for this one if you guys want to check it out. I used some things from the Print and Pray shop and some new of the basics sticker books from Illustrated Faith too. I also have a process video for this one. This is day 11 of Brave Little Taylor's Red Letter Lent devotional Lenten card set. So I'll link that if you guys want to check it out. It just went live this past Monday. I also have a process video for this guy. This is using the brand new Illustrated Faith collection, Fruit of the Spirit from Bella Boulevard, and I'll go ahead and link the video of showing you what's included in that collection and then how this guy came together. This is one of my favorites. I was reading through a Bible reading plan for my pastor and just totally went down a Bible rabbit hole. I did not start off by reading this passage in Luke. I actually started in Matthew 9 and then just kind of went down this rabbit hole learning about mercy, and then ended up journaling some notes here in the parable of the Good Samaritan using pieces from Brave Little Taylor's Red Letter Lent Elements set, a scripted word from the Print and Pray shop from Katie, and then just wrote my notes down, used a Faber-Castell brush pen, one of these guys, to highlight some of the main points that I wanted to pull out of my notes, and then that was it. So that one was really fun, probably one of my favorites. I think my favorite journaling Bible entries are the ones that are like have Print and Pray things, printed on clear sticker, tons of words. Like, those are just my favorites. This next one is also a favorite of mine, using the This Is Love devotional kit in Luke, and I incorporated some more things from Brave Little Taylor set in the Print and Pray shop called Crazy Love. Used some pieces from the kit, had a little ink smear, no big deal there. Some pieces from the You Are Loved collection, one of those new Wordfetties from the Words sticker book. These are really cool. I don't know if you guys have seen them, but tons of colors and all new Wordfetti. And then this guy I have a process video for over on the Illustrated Faith channel using Tamara Arcelia's set Be Loved. It was really fun to create this tip-in because I wanted to add way more journaling and writing on here than I had on this page, and so I layered some things on white cardstock and then on clear sticker paper to get this entry and a half done in John. Lots of pages in John this month. This was the session 1 of the This Is Love devotional kit. I did a process video for this over on the Illustrated Faith channel. I'll link it if you guys want to check it out. I used the Hexie stamps with some acrylic paint, and then just the Hexies from the kit. This entry is using Shauna Klingerman's set. I think it's called Open Heart in the Print and Pray shop. Again, things printed on clear sticker paper so you can totally still read the text underneath that sun, and then some more pieces on white cardstock sticker paper. This was really cool to do, journaling some notes from my the Bible study I'm doing, Finding I Am by Lysa TerKeurst, which is great, by the way. This actually is another entry that was inspired by what I was learning from that study. So Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life, and then journaling some of my notes here using Shauna Noel's highlighter like brushes in the Print and Pray shop. I use some of the new tiny colorful alpha stickers. These guys that are another addition to the basics line, another new release this month. And so I just went tone on tone here with the color of the paintbrush and then the color of the alpha stickers. And then use some enamel hearts too, because Illustrated Faith is great like that, using a lot of the same color. So everything is really cohesive. If you tend to be a collector of things, they all go together. I have a process video for this guy. This is again in the This Is Love devotional kit, mixing things up with a tip-in that I cut down, tons of banners up here. This was really fun to do. I'll go ahead and link that if you guys want to check it out. This one was using the new set. I forget what it's called. I'll put it here at the bottom of the screen. From Amy Bruce, she designed it, and it was all these cute little shoes and talking about just walking and following. And as soon as I saw this card, I was like, whoa, I have to put that in my Bible, because I had just recently been thinking about this concept of just putting one foot in front of the other. Like, that's what I have to do. I don't have to know what's at the end of the road, how things are going to play out. I just have to faithfully like put one step in front of the other, right? So when I saw this card that says just take the next step with all the shoes, I was like, that is going in my Bible. So super excited to have seen that when I did. And then the last one for the month of February, I told you is short, only 13 entries this month, is using Elaine Davis's set in the Print and Pray shop. I have a process video for this, use some acrylic paint here, some things printed on white cardstock. I actually was able to use the stamp set from the This Is Love devotional kit also, because serving others is totally an act of love, right? I love this little clothespin here and how it's kind of clipping the tab down at the top. So that's it. Those are the 13 journaling Bible entries that I did in the month of February. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions about anything you've seen, go ahead and leave me a comment below. I've got all of the supplies, or most of the supplies that I used, listed in the video description below too. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Be sure to check back tomorrow. I've got something pretty exciting coming to my channel I think you guys will be interested in. So I'll see you then.